Hello all. On behalf of Mega Group of Institution, I, Dr. Ravi Premkal Sai, Principal, Nagpur College of Pharmacy, welcome you all. With continued legacy since 1985, Nagpur College of Pharmacy is catering the pharmaceutical education and research. With the vision to become a center of excellence in the field of pharmaceutical sciences to create the versatile, competent pharmacist. Nagpur College of Pharmacy is having the vision to inculcate the knowledge of pharmaceutical sciences through integral process of education and training, to offer optimum teaching learning environment to enrich the personal and professional development in order to improve and assist healthcare of society, to provide quality technical education to meet needs of industry, employment and business in ethical manner. We are having the patronage of Honorable Shri Dattaji Meghe Sir, Shri Sagar Meghe Sir and Shri Samir Meghe Sir. I know that institute will grow in stature under the umbrella of Meghe Group of Institution in all respect of academic, research, placement, collaboration and social activities. Presently, we are offering Bachelor of Pharmacy B.Pharm, a 4-year degree course with intake of 100 seats, which is affiliated to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Lonere, and Diploma in the Pharmacy D.Pharm, a 2-year diploma course with intake of 60 seats, which is affiliated to Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education. Nagpur College of Pharmacy is situated at Wanadongri, Hingna Road, Nagpur, a YCC campus, having the DTE code 4656, MSBT code 1922. We, with the vision of becoming a center of excellence in the field of pharmaceutical sciences to create versatile, competent pharmacists, we are moving forward. As we know, the education is fundamental for the complete development of individual. So we endeavor to harness through optimum teaching learning environment, extracurricular activities, guest lectures from the industry to know about the new technological advancements which build the quality technical education, thereby meeting the needs of industry, academics and the business in ethical manner. So, with due respect, we, the Nagpur College of Pharmacy, welcome and invite you all at Nagpur College of Pharmacy. Now let us take a tour of Nagpur College of Pharmacy. A website of Nagpur College of Pharmacy is ncpngp.com. Shri Vidyarthi Sudhar Sanghas Nagpur College of Pharmacy, Wanadongri, Hingna Road, Nagpur is situated at the Wanadongri near in YCC campus. At Nagpur College of Pharmacy, we have the various committees like Grievance and Redressal Cell, Anti-Harassment Committee, Anti-Ragging Squad, Internal Academic Monitoring Committee, Institutional Curriculum Implementation Unit, Anti-Ragging Committee and the Mahila Takrar Nivaran Samiti. We have the leadership of Shri Sagarji Meghe, the Secretary of Shri Vidyarthi Sudhar Sangha. Shri Sagar Meghe Sir is the dynamic leader and personified the concept of inclusive leadership in totality. He creates an atmosphere to stimulate the driver thinking and the perspective and to courage towards the common goal. He shouldered the responsibility of the qualitative and the quantitative development and expansion of various educational institutes under the Meghe Group. His commitment toward the quality education has carved a niche for the Meghe Group of institutions in the Maharashtra and the Central India and has earned a sterling reputation in education sector and has been validated by the various agencies like NABET, NBA and the NAC time and again. He believed in the progressive and the innovative learning and development process that would bring transformational changes in the educational system that would be relevant with time. Samir Jimegi, the treasurer of Sri Vidyarthi Sudhar Sangha. He is the young and the charismatic leader who believes that the nation is built by the youth of the country who are educated, determined, and dedicated. He believes that education stimulates the young minds and makes them change leader to propel India into the economic powerhouse in the 21st century. As the part of the leadership, he is an instrumental in the creating the blueprint for the growth of the mega group of institutions and bringing them into reality. We are thankful to Shri Dattaji Meghe sir, Shri Sagar Meghe sir and Shri Samir Meghe sir for their continuous guidance at Nagpur College of Pharmacy. In admission sale, as we have the B Pharm and the D Pharm course, let us look at the B Pharm. Let us look at the D Pharm. At Nagpur College of Pharmacy, we have the various facilities like library facilities, we have the different laboratories for respective subjects. We have the language lab, a special language lab for all the students, a classroom and the tutorial room. The classrooms are for the regular teaching and the learning processes equipped with the LCD projectors and the computer. We have the tutorial room for all those the weak students or slow learner students. The separate classes has been conducted at the tutorial room by the teachers to cater them to inculcate that of the knowledge. We have the separate instrument room where most of the research work and practical work has been carried out. We have the well equipped machine room. Apart from that, we have the various facilities. The other facilities like we have the banking facilities, we are the tie-up with the Tirupati Urban Cooperative Bank along with the ATM facilities. We have the dedicated canteen at Nagpur College of Pharmacy. Apart from that, we have the attached hospital, that's Shalini Tai Mega Hospital and Research Center Vanadongri, which we walk away distance from the college. We have the MOU signed between the college and the hospital, carried out the regular camp routine checkup and the primary treatment in the emergency for all those the student teaching and the non-teaching staff. We have the seminar hall that has been utilized for the guest lecture, the separate girls common room, a separate boys common room. Again, the Nagpur College of Pharmacy is assist with that of the fire and safety services. Regular checkup and the training has been given by the technical person. We have the handicap toilet. We have the ramps for the handicapped students also. So facilitating all the handicapped students at Nagpur College of Pharmacy. The library facility. We have the close access with SoftLip software. The multimedia and the e-library we have available about 1680 number of books for the D Pharm and 1706 number of books for the B Pharm. We have the journals for the B Pharm. We have the journals for the D Pharm. These are the pictures of the e-library and the library. These are the various laboratories: pharmaceutics, biochemistry, clinical pathology, pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmaceutical medicinal chemistry, pharmaceutical analysis, pharmacognosy, and the pharmacology. This is the language lab what we are talking about. We have about 25 computers well connected with that of the internet, YouTube. Apart from that, the language laboratory is having the LCD projector and the PA system where we give the audio video lectures and the video tutorials, video and audio learning and the e-learning to all those the students. Apart from that, in the language laboratory, we have the Biani Softech language software that enhance the communication skill and the fluency in the English language also. These are the classroom and the tutorial room. We have the instrument room. The machine room. Machine room is equipped with the machine like tablet punching machine, tablet hardness tester, water distillation unit, ampoule sealing filling machine, ball mill, rotary shaker, shoe shaking machine, centrifuge, cutter mill, tablet coating machine, double cone blender, capsule filling machine, and most of other. These are the various publications by the staff of Nagpur College of Pharmacy. We have more than 6-7 publications on the COVID-19. These are the events of Nagpur College of Pharmacy. We conduct alumni meet with Nagpur College of Pharmacy and Sharad Pawar College of Pharmacy Professional Association, conduct blood donation camp, eye checkup camp, industrial visit, pharmacist day celebration, freshers day. We have the guest lecture, hospital visit, teachers day. Apart from this, in Nagpur College of Pharmacy, the sports week and this annual social gathering has been conducted. These are the some of the achievements of Nagpur College of Pharmacy. Recently, our faculty Sanjana Gaikwad awarded with the PhD degree from RTM Nagpur University, Nagpur, while the principal Dr. Ravi Kalsait of Nagpur College of Pharmacy granted the PhD research on his PhD research work, which entitled the Laginaceae cereae extract process for preparing the same and medicinal formulation containing Laginaceae cereae extract. This is our college location map. We have the contact number. You can email us on principalncpngp@gmail.com. Here we are providing the Aarogya Setu app link, as in the corona or COVID-19 situation it is important. Further, the link that COVID-19 information by the NCP, the very good information by Dr. Ravi Prem Kalsait on the COVID-19, it is available on the YouTube. Furthermore, you can go to check the online lectures at this COVID-19 pandemic also. We have the YouTube channel where all the online lectures are available. So with this, I again welcome you all at Nagpur College of Pharmacy. Thank you so much.